Okay. This is my masa that I am making, and I'm not going to tell you everything that I'm putting in there because I've kind of stepped it up a little bit, but I think you already know that I put this wonderful liquid with the pig fat in there, and then I put a little bit of some baking powder to fluff it up a little bit. And Mom used to say put some lemon in it, but I said no, I'm not gonna put lemon. But for some reason some people put lemon, but I don't. I also let's see, and I put some flavoring in there and some that I trust, that I've always used. And then and then you want to make sure, do you see how the sides over here are coming off the wall of the bowl? That's the perfect amount of fat. So I mix it and mix it until you know, it doesn't stick to my fingers, and you want to mix it for a good I used to do these by hand. That's why I have buffy arms. I used to do, when I had my catering business, I used to sit up there and mix it all by hand in these big, large vats, like larger than this. And I used to mix it all by hand, like stick my hand in there and just, it's a good exercise and it's good for your heart. I might just do that. But no, I usually do the mixing from the machine, and I use my beautiful rubber spatula, so more sanitation with that. Okay, so I wanted to show you that really quick clip video. I hadn't done a video in so long, so I said let me do one. Yeah, this has some nice goodies to it. So I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye.